Hello students, today we are going to study Physics chapter 2. Name of the chapter is Human Eye and Colorful World. You have to take page number 77. In this chapter we have to learn the main topics are structure of human eye, accommodation of eye, common defects of vision, a refraction of light through prism, a rainbow, atmospheric refraction, etc. Okay, first we have to discuss human eye. Okay, we know human eye is almost spherical in shape with a slight bulge in front of the part. Approximately, the diameter of the human eye is 2 centimeter to 2.5 centimeter. So we can see in this picture the main parts of human eye, that are cornea, iris, pupil, aqueous humor, crystalline lens, ciliary muscles, retina, optical nerve, etc. Okay, we can see clearly in this picture. The outermost layer is called sclera or sclerotic layer. The second layer is called choroid. Second layer, choroid. Third layer is called retina. You can see retina is the third layer. Then there is one nerve is there, optical nerve. Then retinal blood vessels. Like that. We can study detail about the different parts. So, first one, sclerotic. Sclerotic is the outermost covering of the eye. The sclerotic is coming to the front side, it will become bulging. That portion is called cornea. The function of sclerotic layer is protect internal part of the eye. Cornea, function of cornea is act as the window of the world, means it allow the light enter to the eyeball. Okay, cornea and sclera. Then crystalline lens. Crystalline lens means it is a double convex lens. The main function of crystalline lens is focus the image of the object. Okay, then next one. Third layer, retina. Retina. The function of retina is inverted the image formed on the retina from lens. There are two types of cells are inside the retina, that are rod cell and cone cell. Rod cells are sensitive only in white light. Cone cells are sensitive the different color of light, means red, blue, green, etc. Okay, next one is optical nerve. Optical nerve, actually it is connected to brain and retina. Okay, approximately 70,000 nerves are originating from brain and entering the eyeball from the posterior side. The main function of optical nerve is to carry optic message to brain. You have to read page number 78. Then next one is ciliary muscles. Ciliary muscles, it is a ring of muscles. It is suspensory to the ligament, holds the crystalline lens. When muscles contract, decrease the focal length. Then muscles relax, increase the focal length. So that is called ciliary muscles. Adjust the focal length of the lens. It is the function. Okay. Then next one is iris. The main function of iris is control the amount of light entering to the eye. The iris have inside small hole. The middle small hole is called pupil. What is pupil? Okay. Then When more light is entering to the iris, the pupil will decreasing, the size of the iris will decreasing. Less light is there, dim light is there, the iris become enlarged. The next one is aqueous humor. It is watery saline fluid. Then vitreous humor. It is a dense jelly-like structure, slightly grey in color. The main function of vitreous humor is it prevents the eyeball from collapsing, and second one, partially help in focusing the image clearly in the retina. Okay, so you have to read page number 77, 78 and 79. You can see the main structure of human eye. How to draw the picture of human eye in your copybook and label the important parts of human eye and study. Okay, thank you.